Guys, in today's video, I will be teaching you how to make this Floppy Bird game. So first, I went to code.org and found a game that I actually wanted to make, which was the Floppy Bird game. And that came with the when run block, the when hit the ground block, the when click block, the when pass obstacle block, and the when hit an obstacle block. So first, after one run, I set player to a red bird. You can choose a lot. You can choose a Flappy Man, Turkey, Bat Guy, Easter Bunny, Shark, Santa, Spaceship. You can even do random, but I decided to do the red bird. Then set the speed to fast. So the fast speed would be for our bird. Then flap a large amount. Set a normal gap. So a normal gap is for our obstacles. Then, when hit the ground, flap a large amount so it would get up. Then, when hit an obstacle, play a crash sound, flap a large amount, and score a point. When pass an obstacle, score a point, and flap a large amount. So yeah, and you can even set a scene to something you want. So right now it's city day, you can do sci-fi, should be that. City night would be that. Santa, be kind of that. Underwater. But I really like the city day. So let's try this game out now. Spin a tap. Keep on crashing. So how this game works is you don't have to press any keys, just have to program it to go by itself. So, yep. And thank you for watching, and a few more videos will be out, so stay tuned for that. Bye.